welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be cleaning and reorganizing the reborn baby nursery. So my first step was to take everything out of the baby drawers. Once I had everything out in a pile in front of me, I put everything in their proper drawers. And then with the items I had left, I put it into a pile in front of me. Mainly it was clothes, but then we had a few stuffies. Since there was mainly clothes, I decided to tackle the clothing bin. Once I finished the clothing bin, I went ahead and tackled the accessory bin. The accessory bin contains shoes, hats, bibs, and diapers. After the bins and drawers were done, I decided to find all the babies a new spot in the nursery. And that was as far as I got. That was as far as I expected to get, just because within filming this video, I only had 30 minutes before school. But I had enough time to give you guys a quick tour. So in the top drawer, we have bottles, sippy cups, and passies. In the second drawer, we have blankets. And the third drawer was toys. So next to the drawers, we have the stroller with Broden in it. And then next to the stroller with Broden in it, we have a stroller with Mr. Charlie in it. Next to the stroller, we have Miss Abby and Miss Hallie chilling. And then right next to them, we have Mr. Huxley on the rocking horse. Next to him, we have the clothing bin. And then right above it, we have the accessories bin. And then sitting on the shelf, we have Miss Poppy, Mr. Jax, and Mr. Asher. So then on the first shelf of the bookcase, we have Mrs. Sky, and across from her, we have Mr. Oliver. They are just next to the changing mat. And that is the finished product for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys!